Hello children, welcome to your EBS class. In my previous video, I have already discussed the question number A and B. Okay, let us now discuss the question number C. Fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1. Your number 1 is all members of a family should help with the dash. All members of a family should help with the housework. Okay, all members are responsible for the housework. Okay, all members of a family should help with the dash. Your answer is housework. Okay, then number 2. Your number 2 is doing a job to earn money is called your occupation. So you write the answer occupation. Doing a job to earn money is called occupation. So you write the answer is occupation. Okay, then number 3. Number 3 is children yearning for money is a part of child dash. Children yearning for money is part of child labor. Okay, children also work to earn money, that is called child labor. Children earning money. Children earning for money is a part of child labor. Is a part of child labor. Your answer is child labor. Okay, child labor. Number 3 is children yearning for money is a part of child labor. Okay, then number 4. Then your number 4 is dash is an organization that works for child right. The organization CRY, CRY is an organization that works for child right. Dash is an organization that work for child rights. That works for child right. Okay, that is the organization is CRY, CRY. Then number 5. Question number 5. Under the Dash Act, all children must go to school. Under the Right to Education Act. Right to Education Act. Under Right to Education Act, all children should go to school. Okay. Under the dash, you write the answer is right to Education Act. Right to Education Act. Under the Right to Education Act, all children must go to school. All children must go to school. Okay, so this is all about question number C. Question number C. Then let us discuss the question number D. Answer these questions. Okay, question number D. Answer this question. There are 5 questions in question number D. Let us discuss. First, question number 1 is, what is the meaning of word occupation? The occupation means the people work to do earn money, that is their occupation. Okay, you write the answer. People do work to earn money. The work that people do, the work that people do to earn money is their occupation. Okay, then question number 2. Question number 2 is, your question number 2 is, list 5 examples of occupation of people you know. List 5 examples of occupations of people you know. Okay, the answer is 5 examples of occupation of people are 5 occupation of people are 5 occupation of people are postman, plumber, doctor, school teacher, and nurse. Okay, the list of 5 examples of occupation of people are 5 occupation of peoples are postman, plumber, doctor, school teacher, and nurse. Okay, next your question number 3. Question number 3 is, what are different ways in which you help your family at home? Answer is, different ways in which, you write, the different ways in which I help my family at home are: number A, I tidy my own bedroom; number B, I pack my school bags; then number C, I keep my clothes in the cupboard; and number D, I help my mothers to lying for dinner and helping in carrying the dishes from the table after meal. Okay, these are the helps you do at your home to your family. Okay, then question number 4, what is child labor. Why is it harmful for children? First, let us write what is child labor. When children are employed to work for money, it is called your child labor. Okay, when children are employed to work for money, it is called child labor. It is harmful for children as they work in unhealthy condition for a long hours. They are working in a unhealthy condition for a long hour, so that is harmful for them. Okay, so this is question number 4. Okay, next question number 5. Your question number 5 is, why is important for all children to be educated? The answer is, it is important for all children to be educated because education helps the children to be aware of their surrounding, to make their career and future brighter. It also helps to stop child labor. Okay, it is important for all the children to be educated because education helps the children to be aware of their surrounding, to make their career and future brighter. It also helps to stop child labor. Okay, so this is all about your question answer. So we complete the chapter 7. So now we complete the chapter 7. In next class we will start chapter 8. So till then, take care. Bye bye.